Welcome back to Erwin's Art Adventure. Today we're going to learn how to draw a penguin, so let's get started. So I'm actually going to start off with the top of the penguin's head, and it's going to be a half circle. So it's going to look something like this. Now, the way I'm going to draw this penguin is I'm actually going to add a scarf on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these two lines together with a curved line. Now, I'm going to give this scarf some thickness, like this. And I'm going to run another line along the bottom of my scarf, and it's going to run parallel with the top line. So I'm adding like a slight curve to it. So you can see that I actually have some thickness to this scarf. So now you can actually make your penguin as round as you want or as skinny as you want, but I'm going to go with like a round body. So I'm going to do a big U shape. But if you want to do a skinnier body, you could do like a skinnier U shape. So it'll look something like this. Now I'm going to draw the wings of the penguin, and it's going to be like these skinny C shapes. So I'm going to do it from here, and I'm going to try to connect it down here. So a big skinny C shape. And I'm going to try to do another one right here. And I'm going to try to connect it down here. So it's going to be another big U or a C shape. Like that. So I'm going to actually make the scarf look like it's wrapped around the penguin's neck. So I'm going to do the slack, or whatever's left of my scarf is going to be down here. So now it should look like the scarf is actually wrapped around the penguin's neck. So I'm going to give the scarf some character by adding some detail. So this one's going to be a striped scarf. And it's going to look just like this. Now I'm going to do the feet next. So the feet, I'm actually going to start out with the outside toe first. So it's just going to be like a three-sided rectangle. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do another one right next to it. And one more. And we'll do one on the other side as well. So 3 sides of a rectangle. Another toe. And another toe. Now we're going to add these little claws. So I'm going to put little triangles at the end of these penguin toes. And I'm going to go fill those in. Now for the penguin's face, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw a diamond shape at the bottom of the head. So I'll probably start like right here. And what I'm going to do is draw a line that comes out. A line that goes down. A line that goes down. That'll be the beak of the penguin. And we're going to do the top and the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to divide this diamond with 2 more lines. And we'll give them little nostrils, like little teardrop shapes right on the top of the diamond. Now for the face, I'm going to do these big N shapes. And I'm going to do one on each side, so I'm going to stop right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it look like it has a little cheek. So I'm going to come back in and back out. And we're going to do some eyes. We'll do an oval shaped eye here and an oval shaped eye there. We'll add a little reflection on the inside by doing a little circle. And I'm going to fill the eyes in right here. Try not to color the inside of your reflection. Little white dots there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start giving the penguin little details. So for the wings, I'm going to actually divide this C shape to make it look like the top and the bottom of the wing. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And all I'm doing is adding these, I'm just adding these little J-shaped lines in between my C shapes there. Now for the belly, I'm going to do, because penguins have white bellies, right? So I'm going to do another U shape within my big U shape. Real quick, did you know that penguins are actually built to sink? They're biologically designed to sink to help them dive underwater. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. I'll add a little character by doing little jagged lines, but feel free to do whatever you want. And then I'll add a couple of hairs at the top. You know what? I'm going to give him some fluff on his chest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a W shape. Like so. And add little extra lines here and there just to add some detail. I'm going to add some lines here. So on the top of the penguin feet, I'm going to add some curved lines to make it look more like a penguin's foot. Like that. And I'm actually going to add a line in the back. And what this is going to allow you to do is, for you who like to do more than just a character, you could actually add a backdrop now, or a background. You know, you can make the sky blue with some snow falling, or add some trees, or a nice little moon or a sun. Make it look like he's on snow or she's on snow. But it's really up to you. So now I'm actually going to add some lines down at the end of my scarf for some extra detail. And this is the outline of my penguin. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fill it in with marker, but feel free to use whatever you guys like to color with, either paint or color pencils or crayons. But just take your time, and it's okay if it doesn't look like mine. If you need to pause a video to catch up or to even use it as a reference, that's okay too. But yeah, we'll be right back. And there is my penguin. One important thing to remember is that it's okay if it doesn't look like mine. Just make it your own, and that's kind of one of the best things about art, is that you get just to draw, paint just to paint, and enjoy being creative. Anyways, I just want to say that I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. I just want to say I really appreciate you guys. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.